This is Realme 12 Plus, and today I'll show how you can set up the portable Wi-Fi hotspot on this device. So in the beginning, you will need to launch settings. Next, enter the connection and sharing category, and here open the personal hotspot page. Now on top you have this master toggle that allows you to enable or disable your hotspot respectively. Once enabled, you can conveniently share it with your friends or colleagues using this QR code, so all that they need to do in order to connect to your custom Wi-Fi point or network is to scan this QR code. Then you can also obviously change the network or hotspot name or SSID, its password, security protocol, AP band. You can enable or disable the hide hotspot feature, or also you are able to use the Wi-Fi 6 protocol or Wi-Fi 6 standard. Then you can also manage the connected devices. For example, you can set the device connection limit or data usage limit, as well as manage the list of blocked devices. Then here you also have the automatically turn off personal hotspot option, which you can also disable or enable as you please. So, as far as this video goes, that'll be it guys. Hence, thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.